Hello students, welcome to my channel Elegant Maths. So today we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equations by completing the square method. As I taught you in my previous lecture that how to solve quadratic equations by quadratic formula. So today we are going to learn completing the square method. So if you are new on my channel, so do subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get all notifications of my latest videos. So let's start. The first question is x square minus 5x plus 6. Basically, I will teach you in very simplified way, step by step. Okay, so first write question as it is. First step, first step, shifting constant to next side. Like if 6 is constant here, then shift constant that side, then it becomes x square plus 5x is equals to minus 6. Suppose this is our equation number 1. So what is second step? Multiply coefficient of x with 1 by 2 and take a square. Here the coefficient of x is 5. So just multiply 5 multiply 1 by 2 whole square. It becomes 5 upon 2 whole square. The third step is add 5 by 2 whole square on both sides of equation 1. So added x square plus 5x plus 5 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 6 plus 5 by 2 whole square. Then it becomes a plus b whole square formula as we all are familiar. So x plus 5 over 2 whole square is equals to minus 6 plus 5 into 5, 25, 2 square is equals to 4. Let's take an LCM. 4 is the LCM, so 1 4 is a 4, 4 6 is a minus 24 plus 4 1 is a 4, 125 is a 25. So minus 24 plus 25 becomes 1 upon 4. The fourth step is taking square root on both sides. So let's take the square root. Under root x plus 5 upon 2 whole square is equals to under root 1 by 4. Square and root become cancel. Will cancel. Okay. So and 1 up under root 1 upon 4 is equals to plus minus under root 1 upon 2. So as we all know that to solve quadratic equations, we write one root with plus sign and one with minus sign. Sorry, one number with plus sign and one number with same number with minus sign. So it becomes x plus 5 by 2 is equals to plus. So students, x plus 5 by 2 is equals to plus minus 1 upon 2. So we all know that when we solve quadratic equations, so we write one number with positive sign and one number with negative sign. So it becomes x plus 5 by 2 is equals to plus 1 upon 2. X plus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. So here 1 upon 2 is positive and here 5 by 2 is also in positive. So we have to find x. So we take 5 by 2 on the left side. 1 upon 2 and it becomes minus 5 upon 2. Now take the LCM. 2 is the LCM. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 minus 4 upon 2. Cancel it. 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4. X is equals to minus 2. And it becomes x plus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Here 1 upon 2 is in with negative sign and here it is with positive sign. 5 by 2 is with positive sign. So shift 5 by 2 to the next side. On the next side, then it becomes minus 5 by 2. 2 to take LCM. 2 is the LCM. Minus 1 minus 5. Minus minus plus minus 6 by 2 over 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Then the answer is x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus 3. This is your answer. I hope you understood. I hope you have understood my lecture. So let's move to other question which will help you very much. So here's your second question. 2y squared minus 11y plus 5 is equals to 0. Again, same as it is. The first step is shift constant to next side. Then it becomes 2y squared minus 11y is equals to minus 5. Now, you can see that 2 is the coefficient of y square. So when equation is in this form, then what you have to do? Just you have to divide each term by 2 because we have because we have to solve quadratic equations by completing the square method. So we have to cancel the coefficient of y square, then 2 to cancel, minus 11 by 2y is equals to minus 5 by 2. Okay, again it becomes y square minus 11 upon 2y is equals to minus 5 upon 2, equation 1. Again multiply the coefficient of here, multiply the coefficient of y. Basically, this step depends upon variable that which variable you have, x, y, z, a, b, c. So multiply the coefficient of y with 1 by 2. Here minus 11 by 2 is the coefficient of y, so multiply it by 1 by 2. 11 by 2 into 1 by 2, 11, it becomes 11 upon 4 whole square. Add 11 upon 4 on the both sides of equation number 1. So y square minus 11 by 2y plus 11 by 4 whole square is equals to minus 5 by 2 plus 11 upon 4 whole square. Again, it becomes the formula of a minus b whole square. Minus 11 by 4 whole square is equals to minus 5 by 2 plus 11 square is equals to 121, and 4 square 16. Take the LCM 2 and 16. LCM is 16. So 2, 8 is the 16, 8 5 is the 40, minus 40 plus 16 1 is the 16, 1 into 121 is the 121. It becomes minus 40 plus 121 plus 81 upon 16. Now again taking square root on both sides, y minus 11 by 4 whole square root is equal to 81 upon 16. This square and this square root will cancel, okay, and the answer is plus minus 9 upon 81. Under root 81 is equal to 9, and under root 16 is equal to 4. Y minus 11 by 4 is equals to plus minus 9 upon 4. Y minus 11 by 4 is equals to plus minus 9 by 4 again. So students, again we write it one time with plus positive sign and one time with negative sign. So y minus 11 by 4 is equals to 9 by 4, and y minus 11 by 4 is equals to minus 9 by 4. Now as you can see that 9 by 4 is in plus, and here minus 11 by 4. So shift this number to that side. It becomes plus 11 by 4. And here this is already in negative with negative signs, and shift minus 11 by 4 to that side, then it becomes 11 by 4. So take the LCM, 4 is the LCM, 9 plus 11, and here minus 9 plus 11. 9 plus 11, 20 upon 4. Y is equals to minus 9 plus 11 plus minus minus positive 2 upon 4. So cancel 4 and 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 5 is 20. Y is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 is a 4. So the answer is y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 1 over 2. So the solution set of this equation is 1 upon 2 comma 5. So students, this is the completing a square method. I hope all of you have understood this method. Still, if you have any confusion or any query regarding this method, that how regarding this method or regarding these two questions, then you may ask in the comment section. Feel free to contact me.